Sight words.
Grade 1. Part 4.
Choose.
Can I choose the game?
Circle.
I'm drawing a circle.
City.
I live in a big city.
Class.
I'm in class right now.
Clean.
I need to clean my room.
Clear.
The water is clear.
Climb.
Can you climb the ladder?
Clock.
I'm looking at the clock.
Close.
Can you close the door?
Close.
I'm wearing my favorite clothes.
Cloud.
I see a cloud in the sky.
Club.
I'm joining a book club.
Color.
My favorite color is blue.
Come.
Can you come to my house?
Computer.
I'm using the computer.
Consider.
I'm considering what to eat.
Continue.
I'll continue reading the book.
Control.
Can you control the volume?
Cook.
I'm cooking dinner with my mom.
Cookie.
I love eating cookies.
Copy.
Can you copy the paper?
Corner.
I am sitting in the corner.
Correct.
Is my answer correct?
Cost.
How much does it cost?
Count.
Can you count to 10?
Country.
I live in a beautiful country.
Cover.
Can you cover the book?
Create.
I'm creating a new project.
Cross.
I need to cross the street.
Crowd.
I'm in a big crowd.
Cry.
I'm crying because I'm sad.
Cup.
I'm drinking from a cup.
Cut.
Can you cut the paper?
Dad.
My dad is very nice.
Dance.
I love to dance.
Dark.
The room is very dark.
Date.
What's the date today?
Daughter.
I have a daughter.
Day.
Today is a beautiful day.
Decide.
I need to decide what to wear.
Deep.
The pool is very deep.
Degree.
It's hot outside, over 90 degrees.
Delete.
Can you delete the file?
Deliver.
I need to deliver this package.
Describe.
Can you describe the picture?
Desert.
I'm traveling to the desert.
Design.
I'm designing a new logo.
Desk.
I am sitting at my desk.
Destroy.
I don't want to destroy the toy.
Detail.
I'm looking at the details.